Hi everyone, today I'm going to be reading a book called My Cat is Sad. Oh no, my cat is sad. Why are you sad? Are you hungry? I will give you some food. That's broccoli, kid. You're giving a cat broccoli. Broccoli. Why are you giving a cat broccoli? They're not supposed to eat it. Oh no, my cat is still sad. Are you thirsty? I will give you some water. Oh no, my cat. Why did you pour it on the cat's head? Why did you pour the water on the cat's head? As you can see, some water is dripping from... Oh wait, is that tears? Or is that the water that he poured on her head? Okay. Are you cold? I will give you a blanket. Oh no, my cat is still sad. What if the cat is sleepy? Are you dirty? I'll get you nice and clean. Cats do not like bats. It rhymes. Yeah. Oh no, my cat is still sad. Are you sleepy? I'll put you to bed. Oh, you've got to be kidding me. That did not work. Oh no, my cat is still sad. Are you scared? I'll give you... Nope. She's like, nope. I'll give you a friend. Oh no, my cat is still sad. Woof, woof. Are you bored? You can play with the dog. Nope. Oh no, my cat is sad and mad. Woof, woof. Are you just sad? If you are sad, I will love you. Boom, it worked. I love you, cat. And now, so I read My Cat, My Dog, so I think the next book I'm going to read is My Cat is Fat. I hope you enjoyed this book, and I hope to see you in my next video.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and give a thumbs up. I will see you in our next video. Bye!